Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing some very nice LED lights, headlights, flashlights, headlamps and so on. These products were sent to me by the company called WUBEN. This company is specialized in making durable and quality products for outdoor use, mechanical use, repair shop or any other situation when you need an LED light. So we are going to start with the EDC flashlight that has the name D1. So this is a super bright LED that has 175 degrees angle of lightning. And if you order this device, it will come in this small nice package that has some user manual. Besides the user manual, we have the product itself. It's very heavy. On this side you have the clip that is called a dual side clip. You can either clip it on like this or like this if you need it. As small as it is, this LED flashlight has a 3400 milliamp hour battery. This is really nice. It seems that the flashlight, the battery needs to be charged. Interesting USB cable. We have a USB type C to USB type A. This side is magnetic. You can use it to fix it on your car or any other surface. Very interesting design. This is the USB slot for charging the battery of the flashlight. When the battery is charging, you have a small LED light that is red, and I'm guessing that when the battery is full, another green LED light will come up, or this red light will just stay on. It also has multiple brightness levels. With the highest level you get 2.5 hours. The medium level with 300 lumens you get 5 hours. 100 lumens lasts around 30 hours, and 5 lumens, the lowest brightness level, will keep the flashlight running for 150 hours. Besides the use as a flashlight, you can also use the battery as a power bank, and you have straight out of the box a 3400 milliamp hour power bank. Besides the different brightness levels, you also have a strobe mode and an SOS mode. From the WUBEN website, for your orders you get a 30-day return and a 5-year warranty. So all their products will have a 5-year warranty included. I got the L50 USB rechargeable LED light. It has a IP68 waterproof standard. It's equipped with a OSRAM P9 LED. Let's see what's inside. Inside we have the USB type C, a very nice rope with the WUBEN logo. It's adjustable, very nice. This one is different and bigger than the D1 model, and it has USB port outside. This one has only a simple clip, but if you want, you can remove it. And I think this is the case. This is also the case for the D1. As the other lights, it has more than one lightning mode: high, medium, low, eco and SOS. The smallest brightness level, you get 143 hours of usage. In the low mode you get about 8.5 hours. The medium with 400 lumens you get 2.5 hours, and the highest brightness mode at 1200 lumens you get 1.5 hours. Another difference between the L50 and the D1, you cannot use the L50 as a power bank like the D1.